Fun. There you go. I got you. Tilt right, wiggle your left ear. There you go. There we go. Look there, miss. She's already standing up there. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Gregory Johnson.
All right, so Ashley, let's show them what you got here. Let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then back to neutral. Now, take a look in the mirror. You see you're just forward and right of center. Okay, and then down here, your pelvis is shifted a little bit right of center. So you see how you're closer on this arm than you are over here? Yeah. You got more room over here. If they want to tell you anything more about their lives, I'll let them do it. Now, you see her left leg shorter by about 1/4 of an inch down here, but when I bring them up, it gets longer by 1/4 of an inch. And she's got pain on this left SI right here when I touch it. That's palpation. And a little bit right here on the right one too. Now her whole lumbar spine has flattened out from normal. This increased curve in this mid-thoracic region, that's called a kyphosis, and that's an increased kyphosis. Everybody has kyphosis in their thoracic spine, but when it's exaggerated like this, that means they've got way forward head posture and their posture's not really been that great over time. And so she's got paraspinal muscle hypertonicity all through the thoracic spine, down into the lumbar spine. Got several tender spots. Traps are bilaterally hypertonic. So I'm going to get started adjusting her. And by the way, a little disclaimer here. Do not try this at home. I just had to get that statement out. We found out recently there's been people actually opening up chiropractic offices and adjusting people that don't even have a license. Okay, now I'm going to get into the lumbar spine. This is P on L5. Now some of these will be a little bit sore actually because they've been out for a while. And then L3 there, L2, there's L1. Now I'm going to work into her thoracics. Yep, is your boyfriend a crack addict?
Yeah.
All right. Crack addicts definitely gonna love you, Ashley. Legs are now even, by the way, Mitch, and they stay even. I bet you that didn't tighten up in your upper back as bad as it did the first time.
No.
There we go. Good. You get all straight, you can do your own TV show.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pull your head back up and over your spine where it's supposed to be. See, yours is like this all the time, so I'm doing exactly the opposite of that. I'm pulling it up and back, just like that. Now slide down this way, just. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust your AC joints, your shoulders. I'm gonna get your clavicles where they attach to your sternum, your anterior costosternal joints right here. Yes, ma'am. Let me have your leg here. Just breathe. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your low back.
I did.
Good. Okay, same thing here. Relax. Atta girl. Good job. Okay, let's set you face this way. Now you got some crunchies in this right shoulder. That's our other intern, Tristan. This is his last day in the office here. He's headed off to Palmer College of Chiropractic next week.
Awesome.
Yep, pretty cool. It's gonna feel tight. There you go. Just lay flat. Okay. Now let your legs relax and bend normally as I lift them up. You don't need to say a last prayer. You'll be fine. There you go. Just like that. Now you should have felt that go all the way down. Keep breathing.
Deep breath.
Deep breath.
Your nose out through
In through your nose, out through your mouth. Oh gosh, she's not kicking. She's still alive though, I promise. That doesn't have anything to do with what my procedure is, by the way. I just do that for fun. There you go. I got you. Tilt right, wiggle your left ear. There you go. Yep. I promise you're still together.
I've never done that before.
Sit you. Here we go. All right, we're gonna stand right here now, facing the mirror. Okay, let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards again. I think you're gonna be amazed. Look in the mirror right now. You're squared off like a military woman. You see the difference?
Yes.
You see how your shoulders are squared off now and they're not rounding forward so much, and your hands are more at your sides as opposed to being out here. But this is your homework. You're gonna pull both shoulders up and back. Now, your head's forward and right, so we're gonna come straight back, translate left a bit, and now look backwards at the wall behind you. I got you, I won't let you fall. When you do this at home, you might want to do it up next to your bed in case you fall over backwards, you land on your bed and not your head. There we go. Yes, ma'am? You have now been shot in Houston, Texas.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's have you close your eyes again, flex your head forward and backwards again. This should feel smoother this time, actually.
It is still just a little sore.
Mitch, you gotta tell her to quit flipping her hair so much. Look in the mirror right now, though.
Yeah.
You're right down the middle everywhere.
I feel a lot
Lighter.
looser and lighter.
Yeah. Should feel straighter, too, because you are. So this is your very first chiropractic experience ever.
Yeah.
So what would you tell our crack addict fans around the world about your very first chiropractic experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
The ring dinger is as crazy as it as it sounds. It is that.
Better in person.
Yeah.
His left leg's shorter by about 1/4 of an inch. I bring it up, it actually gets longer by about 1/4 of an inch, and that tightens up in his lumbar spine. So that's a positive Deerfield on the left and a positive Knockles with lumbosacral pain, thoracic spine and rib cage subluxations. Shoulders are tight all the time. That's why his primary complaint's the neck and upper back. He's got pain on the right there, C6, on the C4, and then on the left of C3. So Derek, just breathe and relax for me. Some of these will be a little sore at first, but they'll feel better once I adjust them. There we go. Look at there. It's exactly even now. Derek, tell me if this tightens up as much as that first one did. See how it stayed even?
Yeah.
Did that tighten up as much?
No.
Imagine that. We're gonna feel your head popping up on this next one. Slide down this way about an inch. Adjust your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs. Yep, you can relax your hands right there now.
Okay.
Let this right leg relax in my hand here now. There we go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah.
Good. Same thing here. Relax. Perfect. Okay, let's set you up face towards your dad. Okay, good. There. There it is. You're just noisy all over. Okay, let's come over on this table over here. Come back this way a little bit with you. There you go. You want to let your spine just sink.
Okay.
You just breathe normal and let it sink. One more. There it is. Okay, let's come over on this table next. That's a deep adjustment. That's one of my favorite adjustments, though. Land your back here, but there, head up. I'm going to pin your pelvis in on both sides here.
Okay.
Now I'm going to decompress your entire spine from your skull all the way down to your pelvis in one split second.
Okay.
All right. Together, breathe through your nose. Wiggle your left ear. There it is.
Wow.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my goodness.
So you should have felt that all the way down your spine.
I did.
And looky there, you're still kicking. Whew. Okay, tilt left. Yep, tilt right. No, I still got one. Don't
Okay.
help me. I don't
Okay.
need your help. I'm not going to force it. Flare these guys here. You see how it tightens up that whole trap?
Yeah.
And then we're going to bring that head straight back this way You're right, so we're gonna translate left, then look backwards. You're gonna feel a little tap on your atlas there. And there, now relax.
Okay.
When you do this again, tell me if this feels any different yet than it did the first time.
Yes.
In what way?
It's not nearly as tense.
Smoother?
Yes. And I'm not having any
Take a look in the
tension.
mirror now. So you're standing up like you're supposed to. Navy man again.
Thank you.
I bet you're not gonna go re-up though, are you?
No.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.